Bug hunters in the garden. The milkweed flowers stand proudly under the warm spring sun. Birds chirp and sing, getting nests ready for young ones. A few colorful butterflies flit from one blooming flower to the next. The dragonflies' wings click and clack, darting around as their wings flex. There are lots of bugs and butterflies, eating or taking a rest. The milkweed's job is to feed many of the garden's guests. Susie and Stan carry their bug jars as they follow the garden path. Susie says, "I hear there's some pretty pink milkweed next to the bird bath." Stan says, "Great, I'll gather some aphids. They make sweet, sticky goo." "Butterflies love milkweed," Susie replies. "I hope I find some eggs for my habitat, too." Soon Stan and Susie spy the milkweed's bright pink blossoms. Honeydew and aphids are crawling all over the blossoms' bottoms. Using some long tweezers, Stan collects some aphids. He gently puts them in his bug jar and carefully screws on the lid. Stan sees some red ladybugs. He collects a lot of them. He spies some scary-looking beetles with long antennae the color of gems. Susie searches for butterfly eggs for her butterfly habitat at home. She loves to watch the eggs hatch and see caterpillars crawling in the dome. Using her big magnifying glass, Susie scans the milkweed leaves. She finds a butterfly egg and loudly whispers, "Stan, I found an egg! Come and look, please!" Susie carefully removes the leaf and places it in her bug jar. She finds a few more eggs, even a green one shaped like a star. Susie checks out Stan's bugs and finds some very interesting creatures. The scary staghorn beetles have very unusual features. There are lots of ladybugs, aphids, and dragonflies too. Stan's bug jar is full and looks like a bug zoo. Susie and Stan walk home, talking about their plans. Stan says, "I'll put the ladybugs in our vegetable patch." Susie says, "I'll put my caterpillar eggs in my habitat so I can watch the butterflies hatch." Happy spring!